Hello and welcome back to our channels. Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can simply redeem your Chipotle code in your app. So without further ado, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open up a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.chipotle.com. Once you do so, you will be redirected to its home screen, where you need to simply click on the profile icon on the left hand side of the screen. There you can find the payment methods option where you need to click. Once you click it open, you can get two options where you need to choose add a gift card option. Once you do this, you need to enter the gift card number. After entering the gift card number, all you need to do is click on the add card option and you are all done with your redeemed gift code. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these amazing informative videos. Thank you for watching.